Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we're going to do some new Lego dots, and this one is lovebirds. And now we're going to open up the lovebirds bracelet. So first I'm going to get the bracelet and get it out. It's a nice blue bracelet. And then we're going to get our nice Lego bits out. And we've got a nice feathers. And we've also got a love heart. Nice pink swirly one. And a dark orange, like not light as that. Then we've got a green. And a white. And we've also got a face. And first I'm going to do a nice face. Put that one down there. Then I'm going to do a nice heart right there between both of them and feathers there. And our light pink. There's the first one. Then we're going to use an orange and a green. There's our two circles. Then for this bit, I'm going to do the same again, but without two birds. I'm going to do one bird, then use a pink, light pink, and a yellow, and some feathers. Yeah, and a feather. Now that bit looks like a beak, and that's the face bit. And there are bits. Then we're going to do the last bit. I'm going to use some of the last ones from this bracelet. And I'm going to use the pink one. It's over here. And the purple. This one doesn't fit, so I'm going to use this one. A nice pink heart and a black one. Then I'm going to do the last bit. And the last bit I'm going to use a nice pink one. Instead of that, I'm going to put it on that side so it looks like that. And then I'm going to use a light pink and then put it on by the light pink. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.